bisa Ablakwah say masa what's it two passport ko fabra what the baako na ba say fa baako na bra say baako na de me hu ya me hu a me de baba
Ablakwah, you are embarrassment to present. Babies will shout it. Babies will shout it. So what did Shraj find? Now we know the background already. What did Shraj find? You came out to tell the whole world. This is Okujeto Ablakwah. He's totally dishonest. You came out to tell the whole world that Kusi Boateng has two passports. One is Victor Kusi Boateng. The other one is Kwabena Ghc12b. They are all his identity. And sometimes they even have the same team number or something like that. They have different team numbers or the same team number, something like that. You told the whole world. You told Joy FM. You told City FM. You told press conferences in Parliament. Then you go to the commission and they say, go and bring the two passports. Then you tell the commission that the search, however, continues for his Victor Kusi Boateng passport. How crass. How crass.
Say ayano kura say yewra Reverend Kusi only two passport way and Ablakwah ha na ni a sa edu satem of fairness bi no kansem and you as if say we Ghana na political way to know ye dey Ablakwah you are a dangerous person then aye we are so obi otimi ha na ni running down the reputation of somebody no or a wicked person ye fani mokuru na Reverend Kusi say I am pastor who ni no say obi a what are you waiting for the court is there go and what sue him but bomb be up bomb be up I bomb okese pa oje won say okatachi angel was speaker of parliament wa ko ye chop 12 million access can here they call voter rigid ya dey kwa ye nsuo bia mom flood bia mom ye see speaker scanner be show boto nyam na meka
menu no ba 12 menu no mepefo menu no ba bia yari ayi suga ko bebo say won nsuo fa wo nsuo fa manfo no aye ya gye wo yi bi mania ni ya kura ye bi kobo aye speaker de manfo yi bi man wono ye yi bi mere di ai 12 million Ghana say na say na no kura bi gu ya no betwasi in 1 million
allegedly say na okatachiyeka na yampadia na chese Ghanaian politicians akata they live double lives.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, I Xposed GH. Oh, subscribe, mommy. With the two partner on Sakabi. Ya kai Ablakwah any Reverend Kusi. And some everybody Ablakwah say Reverend Kusi or a foster or a dear Ben two passports. Assembly called Strach. Now Strach should muya no mu say oh. Assembly can say Bosimuka. Because some bisa Ablakwah say massa. What's it two passports? Kofabra. What the baako na ba say for baako na bra say baako na de. Me hu ya me hu a me de baba. Now, for much they were dressing it down brutal. You go to video number.
Ablakwah, you are embarrassment to present. Babies will shout it. Babies will shout it. So what did Shraj find? Now we know the background already. What did Shraj find? You came out to tell the whole world. This is Okujeto Ablakwah. He's totally dishonest. You came out to tell the whole world that Kusi Boateng has two passports. One is Victor Kusi Boateng. The other one is Kwabena Ghc12b. They are all his identity. And sometimes they even have the same team number or something like that. They have different team numbers or the same team number, something like that. You told the whole world. You told Joy FM. You told City FM. You told press conferences in Parliament. Then you go to the commission and they say, go and bring the two passports. Then you tell the commission that the search, however, continues for his Victor Kusi Boateng passport. How crass. How crass. How devious. How evil. Evil. You tell the whole world so that Pastors Kranchiankra and Isaacwe go and lay hands on you to help you to protect Ghana's money because you are an anti-corruption fighter. You tell the whole world that Victor Kusi Boateng has two identities. The commission says bring the two identities to begin the investigation. You say I have found one. As for the other one, I am still searching. How crass. Ablakwah, you are embarrassment to present on this matter. How can you do that? You tell the whole world that the guy has two. So at the time you were telling the whole world that the guy has two passports, you didn't know that he has two passports. You didn't know. But you sat on Joy FM and you tell the whole world. I mean, if I'm a politician, anytime I meet Ablakwah on radio, I say you can't talk. You are the one who sat here and told the whole world that Kusi Boateng has two passports. When Shraj said bring it, you said you were still searching. That's all you finished with him. Ablakwah cannot, that's why they can't come on Good Evening Ghana. Because you see, when you come on Good Evening, the things I will ask you, look at this. If anytime Ablakwah appears on radio, I will say, I will not believe what you are saying. You told the whole world that Kusi Boateng has 2 passports. When you went to Stride and they said, produce the 2 passports, you said the search, however, continues for his Victor Kusi Boateng passport. Shame on you. Shame. Totally evil. God forgive them. Kusi Boateng will forgive them. Because God forgives us all. Totally shameful. You broadcast that you are the King Kong of corruption. You went to do Xposed on Martin Amidu is looking for you. Forgotten about it. You are the King Kong of corruption. And then you tell us that Kusi Boateng is a double identity man. You go to Shraj, present the report. Where are the 2 passports? The search, however, continues for his Victor Kusi Boateng passport. Have you heard that before, viewers? Have you heard something before? To effectively resolve this issue, the Commission, by a letter dated 10th July 2023, requested information on passports under the name Reverend Victor Kusi Boateng and Kwabena Edu Jemfi from the Passport Office of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration. On the 14th day of July 2023, the Passport Office, which is the body responsible for the issuance of passports and other travel documents in Ghana, per Exhibit 37, after stipulating the various times that the 4th respondent in the name of Kwabena Edu Jemfi was issued with ordinary and diplomatic passports from 2016 through to 2021, indicated that, quote, there is no Victor Kusi Boateng in the passport database. There is no Victor Kusi Boateng in the entire Ghanaian passport database, but a legislator, Ablakwah, told the whole Ghana that Kusi Boateng has 2 passports. One is Kwabena Edu Jemfi, one is Kusi Boateng. Come and show it. He is still searching. Today he's searching. For the next 11 days, he will be searching until he goes to vote. He'll be searching. Ablakwah. Rollins said it too. J.J. Rollins. I didn't say he's there. Rollins said it. We didn't listen. We were all laughing. We were dancing with it. Babies with sharp teeth. Babies with sharp teeth. Babies were dancing. Today we are seeing it. Rollins said it. The data. Where did I get to? There's no Victor Kusi Boateng in the passport database. The data provided the Commission shows that Victor Kusi Boateng currently holds 1 non-extant passport number, so and so, issued on the 27th of October 2021 and set to expire on 26th October 2031, and 1 diplomatic passport number issued so and so, expiring in sometime 20.
Area say you will be a friend defamation. Those who are journalists, when you can't defamation, but you see, saying something which is not true about somebody, defamation, you are defaming a person. Slander, you know, who do defame me. Say, I am say, you are Reverend Kusi, only 2 passports way, and Ablakwah, and do certain more famous simbi, no, cancer, and you know, as if so, we're gonna not a political way to know you're the Ablakwah. You are a dangerous person. Then, yeah. Aye, and we are so pure to me, and running down the reputation of somebody, no, or a wicked person. You are finding Mokuro. Now, Reverend Kusi, say, I am pastor who need not see Obia. What are you waiting for? The court is there. Go and what? Sue him. I like that. Because we are saying, okay, seminar, assembly, you cry, you go sue, defamation, what defame me? Because you be an image right, reputation. It takes a long time to build reputation. It's obi be can assembly na assembly nya no kure na or the tanishu we made because say maybe say me who Reverend Kusi me assembly ba me no fraud me was say wonya fraud Ablakwah we say maka che be say MPP bring we there wa han wani na NDC wa han wani no wa bia wani a wo so wo tie me assembly hu yenka and assembly. Don't destroy people's reputation based on what? Politics and personal gains. And you pull him down syndrome. And you let's celebrate people who have made it in life. You are saying, you pulling down our people. Sana, question you pull him down. Ghana football as at the tier pansa. Near for say yes, and question. Not tachi. Bani and him say yes, Ghana football. People protect their heroes, but Ghana especially will destroy our heroes. Nkasa Reverend Kusi a hero. But obi de bibi anka. But bomb bi aba. I bomb kese pa. What you say? Okatachi Angel was a speaker of parliament. Wakoye chop 12 million. Says can you go voter region. Ya de kwa ye nsuo bia mom flood bia mom ya see speaker scanner be show to nyam na meka allege e go video ni mra.
Ye di komana ko du baby. Ye dia wo je ses kan isi echirim.
Sapepepe ohini.
Na me ka kire eye menuanum Voltarians. Tienie. Munyi masum na munyi he. Menuanum Voltarians. Jari ukuro mo de France mepe. Bato, jari free bato bie wasum na tienie. Mona moto abama NDC. Eti kase be NDC mpanimfo should have you at heart. Yes sir.
More fire.
Abi mebo. Me na make o me na make ma me nteso. Bisuro. Na ye bebo voice ni bi in the coming days. Tie de make yi.
More fire.
Minianom batofo. Minianom mepefo. Minianom baby yari sugako pembo. Say won ensuo fa wo. Ensuo fa manfo no aye ya gye wo yibi mania ni ya kura ye bi kobo aye. Speaker de manfo yibi man wo no ye yibi mere yibi didi. 12 million Ghana cedi. Then I'm saying, I know could be good. You are interested in 1 million. According to the performer, I'm to about Mungo speaker say, and then a 12 million Ghana cedi abedin ho. And yes, could be bottle fee. I say $1 million no. Mumu says speaker say then abedin ho. What the year more fire for pound.
You see, who your glass house and want to talk war. You are Speaker of Parliament, allegedly saying that Okatachieka, na yampadia, not just a Ghanaian politicians, they live double lives. As some of them don't listen to it. Because this is a man or man who say our Ghana at heart. He is fighting for Ghana. He's fighting for Ghana. On the interest. Now say, I before to Abama Amusika 12 million, you call it now Abedu someone did ya. And Yamlam Kai, okay, it's Jada Kai. And then ask someone. I don't think I make us say, don't be loyal to people based on tribal and sentiments and all that. Watch what they have to offer you. Speaker, be you one way. I send ya, which make us say, move people out, and this one be you one. Set 1 billion, Confosika wedding, so the any no me, men charma brome. Mad domi says, because 12 million Ghana sika na question back bottom there not be sound say Ghana politicians how much more do they need here ecosystem metie me ya because you man say we no there and you perfect you okatechi na kan emi ni obi asem we ye hwehwem na ba bia sika fa bia see every city counts. Every city. You perceive a building Ghana there. Every city should count. The only way makes me building Ghana is to make the institution stronger so that every city will count. And yes, as Sikabi wana for being some yes, who are speaking to Yakataso. Okatache no kai. Okatache. Who say the evidence now? Who come with any of you? Because speaker was the man so 4K. And you know, or blow to blow. It would be evidence also kind also self reputation. But what yeah, Fabra? Near strike and authorities hold this thing. Near I expose you to FM members, but also subscribe, mommy. May the tumpa no man bye bye.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.